Hello and welcome to my channel. For today's quest, we will be going to Bribie Island and I will be showing you the aerial views using the DJI Mavic Mini Drone of the must visit of Bribie Island. It's about 1 hour and 28 minutes drive from Brisbane City. It's separated from the mainland by Pumestone Passage, but there is a bridge that connects the mainland to the island from Sandstone Point.
The gang. Who's the driver? Cheryl's joining us. We're gonna test her baby, her new baby. Baby drone.
This bridge was officially opened on the year 1963 with a length of 2,736 feet or 831.4 meters. I highly recommend Bongaree Beach to families in general because of its gentle waters and lots of area to play. It also offers white sand along the water's edge and stunning view of the bay. Bongaree Beach is also a popular spot to anchor speedboats and jet skis. On a calm day, you can take a kayak flotation device or stand-up paddle board and go for a little paddle out in the bay.
Hello guys, we are at Bribie Island. We're setting up for Cheryl drone test flight.
Bongaree Jetty is very popular for families to catch up, have a swim on the shallow edge of the water, or have a picnic. So since we came on Sunday, it's a weekend, it's very packed at the moment. More confident swimmers are also diving from the jetty, so it's really fun to see them having a nice day out. That concludes the first part of the Bribie Island video. I hope that you like it, guys, and if you do, click that like button and also subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for you to get notification if the second part of the video is being uploaded, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.